Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village. Today we're going to be making some Cajun Shepherd Pie. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to julienne a squash or a zucchini, both of them. What we're going to do, julienne is basically making matchsticks out of these, and you'll see what we're going to do with them later. So basically what you want to do is cut off the end of the zucchini, in this case, and the other end. What I like to do is slice it down. This makes it easier to cut from here on in rather than having a round type of thing that's hard on your board to cut. You can just go ahead, now it just sits flat. So I just like to run my knife lengthwise down, pretty small, just like that. It's pretty thin. And at this point, you can go lengthwise again. As you see, the matchstick reference type of thing, and then you just cut them across like that, and I like to do it into a third. So now you have these beautiful, beautiful matchsticks. And we're going to saute those a little bit later, but you can just do this with all of these. Now it's nice and flat.